In this quick guide, we're diving into how to use Apollo.io's integrations for sales teams. If you're looking to supercharge your sales process, stay tuned, because this software offers a powerful suite of integrations that can make a big difference. Stick around until the end, and I'll show you exactly how to get Apollo.io for free with some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. Apollo.io has become one of the top platforms for sales teams looking to streamline their processes. It's not just about lead generation anymore. It's about integrating your tools and workflows for maximum efficiency. The good news is that Apollo.io integrates seamlessly with many of the most popular tools used by sales teams, and these integrations can really take your sales game to the next level. Let's start with the CRM integrations. If you're already using a CRM like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Pipedrive, Apollo.io connects effortlessly with these platforms. This means you can sync your leads, track interactions, and update your records without having to switch between tools. For sales reps, this is a huge time saver and ensures that your CRM is always up to date. Next, let's talk about email integrations. Apollo.io's email syncing feature is a game changer. By linking your Gmail or Outlook account, Apollo.io automatically logs all your sent emails, including replies, so that you can manage communication with prospects directly within the platform. It's like having a supercharged inbox that automatically tracks conversations. This allows you to keep track of your email outreach efforts without missing a beat. Apollo.io also offers deep integrations with your calendar. With tools like Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar, you can schedule meetings directly from within the platform, and the software will even automatically update your availability based on your calendar events. No more back and forth emails trying to schedule a time. Everything syncs up perfectly so you can focus on what really matters, closing deals. But that's not all. Apollo.io integrates with major sales automation tools like Zapier, which allows you to create custom workflows that integrate Apollo.io with hundreds of other apps. This means you can automate tasks like sending follow-up emails, updating your CRM, or even adding new leads to your database. The possibilities are endless, and the beauty of Zapier is that it gives you the flexibility to build workflows that fit your team's needs. Apollo.io also integrates with Slack, making it easy to collaborate with your team in real time. You can receive notifications, updates, and even share leads directly within your Slack channels. This integration helps keep everyone in the loop and ensures that your sales team stays coordinated and informed. Another powerful integration is with LinkedIn. Apollo.io's LinkedIn integration allows you to access contact data directly from LinkedIn profiles. This makes it easier than ever to prospect and reach out to the right people. By combining Apollo.io's contact database with LinkedIn's social networking power, you can streamline your outreach and increase your chances of connecting with the right prospects. Now, you might be wondering how to get started. The good news is you can use Apollo.io for free. Check the first link in the description below to get exclusive access to a free trial that includes some amazing bonuses. These integrations alone can massively improve your workflow, but the platform has much more to offer, so make sure you're making the most of it. To wrap things up, remember that by using Apollo.io's integrations, your sales team can automate routine tasks, stay on top of leads, and focus more on what really drives revenue. From syncing with CRMs, emails, calendars, and even LinkedIn, to automating workflows through Zapier, Apollo.io is a robust solution for any sales team looking to boost efficiency. Don't forget to click the link below to get your free trial and start leveraging these integrations today.